Now, welcome to lesson of this course. Some common challenges you face while running the POS business. In this lesson, I'm going to show you some common challenges, some of the problem people usually face when they are running the POS business. You may see somebody that closed the shop, that so firstly open the shop and close it for more than 2 months. So because he or she don't have knowledge, the first one is dispense error. Now, this dispense error, when the customer bring ATM and you plug the ATM to the what to the machine and you say, hey, help me to withdraw 2,000 or 3,000. So once you insert you input the details and the terminals don't dispense. The major problem is that you firstly check you check your SIM card whether you have data on the SIM card. Once you check whether you have whether it is network, once make sure that the SIM card you use has data, so and you still try it again, it's still displaying dispense error. You can have your ATM from your ATM. Make sure you test 1 naira or 10 naira from your own ATM. So when that's one successful, so you tell the customer that, oh, your bank is having issue, so you must have your own. You'll be using your ATM to be testing the dispense error, whether it is from the terminal or it is from the bank, because most of the time terminals they usually have network down, so it usually come from the terminals also. Most of the time the transfer will be going on the terminal, but withdrawal, but most of the time, oh, it is only transfer that usually have problem. The withdrawal don't usually have problem. So now, how to check network issue and network update. So how to check network issue? Network issue is normally happen when there is no data on the SIM. So you have to check your SIM whether you have data or the data has finished. That's usually basically the network issue. But the network issue may also be from the terminal when the terminal has faults. So you have to return that to the aggregator that help you to have the terminal. And network update, the use of network update is that once you join my WhatsApp link, once you join you can check the button below. In the description below, you see my WhatsApp link there. I usually give my agents updates on network network updates that, oh, Fidelity Bank has transfer problem. The successful rate is 30%. Make sure you notice the customer, something like that. I usually give the update on the WhatsApp. Now the second one is how to know if there is a network problem. Like I explained, I will be that's one will be sent to you if you join my WhatsApp group. I'll be telling you every time that, okay, First Bank have network down. Make sure you do this. Make sure you do this. Now the fourth one is how to differentiate the machine network problem from the bank network problem. I have told you earlier before that once the somebody bring ATM or something and you are trying it from the from with that customer ATM and it is displaying error. So you now brought out your what you bring out your own ATM. Inside the ATM you withdraw at least 1 naira or 2 naira. Once the transaction approved, so the network is not with the machine, it is with the bank. But if you test your ATM, another customer ATM, and you know that it's now the POS problem. Now, how to solve network connectivity issue? All this have to do with what? With SIM card. Once the SIM card have data, the network connectivity issue will solve. Make sure you subscribe to you buy data to the SIM card you want to use. And now, when the POS is not reading the customer ATM, you press the when you are pressing the information, the POS or the terminals will ask you to what to insert the ATM card. So you are inserting the ATM card, but do not read the ATM card. I will advise you to use something to clean the ATM. The space that's look like a SIM card here, the metal area. Make sure you use it, clean it with water, insert it again. If it doesn't reach, still remove it, insert it again. You can still remove it, or you can still check your ATM there. So once you clean it, without cleaning it 3 times, it will work. Yes, if the ATM is still functional. Now the debit customer double debit customers account. this issue is a predominant issue you can't avoid. They will debit the customer, and the transaction they will not approve. So most of the customers just come, hey, you, this how you usually do, this how you something, you ask them to, okay, wait, you show them the receipt. That's where the function of receipt, the function of receipt. I will advise those people using the mini one to please find something like traditional one or the hundred one. So once you show them the receipt, you see it. It writes what display. So you expect the customer to go to the bank. For example, UBA usually debits twice, even for the transfer and others transaction. They I faced that issue the first day I started this business. So someone come to me, that man do firstly withdraw, they debit the customer twice. The money did not drop in my wallet. The person still do transfer, the money still not drop. So he now lose 8,000 twice. So from the when I lodge a complaint, they refund the first 8,000, the second 8,000. That's what transfer. But out of that, they don't. I they don't the second 8,000 was not credited in my account. So I have to call the customer because I have his phone number. Now this is the update. I saw 16,000, the main thousand. You go to bank. So when they debit the customer account, you tell the customer to go to what, to go to the bank. Please always note, always confirm the amount before proceeding deposit transaction. Once you the issue of is one zero mistake can lead to a loss of debit. For example, you want to withdraw 80,000, you now press 8,000, you forget one zero, and that is a lot of problem. So you are see a lot of debt. So after you still after the receipts come out and approve, still check the amount. You okay, let me see, okay, I'm coming, or you forget, just say, hey uncle, let me check the health receipt again. Once you check it, okay, it's 15,000, you can go. So no, they will not blame you for that. You must be very very careful. Thank you for joining the class. Please meet me on the next lesson. If you are yet to subscribe on this channel, please subscribe.